All dear learner, welcome in this information literacy program of Raja Sripatrao Bhagwantrao Mahadele on District Satara. You know that we are learning various topics through this platform on various subjects which are on the current trends. The part of this practice is to provide valuable information to the learner community for getting the valuable resources from their own home or any global corner. That's why I have chosen today the topic Introduction of Project Gutenberg. Project Gutenberg is a volunteer created platform at At as on today, there are more than 60,000 books are available in the form of digital. And we know that today many readers says that we have no reading material, and that's why we are unable to uh, what we can say we are unable to move towards the excellent career. But I will show you various presentations, and after that presentation you will realize that there is no need to worry regarding the resources which are freely available on internet, but we should be aware regarding it, and that's why my aim is to introduce this project Gutenberg, where having different type of books. Second objective of my presentation is to show practically, lively, how to search which type of books are there and how it will be useful to your career, academic career. So let me present lively how to go there. Let us will move towards that, and after reaching at that place, I know that we can able to find the various type of resources. This is Project Gutenberg. Just type here in the Google Project Gutenberg. Below has already came, and just I am clicking here. What you have to do, you have to go www.gutenberg.org, and it is the first title, that is a Project Gutenberg free books. When you micro level reading it at this Google searching results, you will see that Project Gutenberg is a library of over 60,000 free books. It means that this is the books which are available on this platform are totally free, and that's why we can get benefit as per your subject from this Gutenberg project. What you have to do next, just click Gutenberg, and this web page will be appear before you of the Gutenberg. And when you look, they have display on their website some important and valuable books. You can look that the Great Gatsby, April Twilights, and other poems, the history of Esquires Fees, the Manchester Man, the Covent Ship, Volume 3, Les Consequences Postigues de la. When we observe it, these books are very rarely. As on today, we will not get by get available to purchase on the market because this is very rare collection and having a historical background to this literature, and that's why those who want to study regarding it, these books will be really helpful. Okay, what you have to do, go to search box, and suppose if you want to find the history books, okay, you will appear within fraction of second which types of books are now here available. Okay, look at here, 12 authors names matches here. It means that there are 4027 history related books are available on this platform, including 12 authors, and it can be filtered by various using options here sort alphabetically. If you click on it, all the collection will be available sorting by the alphabetically. Okay, then sort by popularity, and this is also War and Peace. It is a great book. It is not available in general library, and that's why we can get the various valuable rare collection uh, books of various subjects. These all these results are regarding the Paradise Lost, History of the Philippines, North Damedy, Paris. These are very rare and very ancient books are here kept uh, preserved in digitally form and which are made available to us with free of cost. Okay, next subject you can uh, take here. Suppose if you want to find out regarding the physics. Okay, and just go click here. You will appear that these are the books are related to mathematics, physics related, and wires and rods. All these are physics subject related books. In this way, there are many subjects books are available. You can download it. Suppose if I will show you, suppose the complete herbal. If you want to download it, what you have to do, just click on it and then complete herbal by Nicholas Culper. Download these books, and here has given the format. In this format you can download it, you can preserve at your Google Drive, also you can send to OneDrive. All these platforms are sent to Dropbox. These facilities also made available here. A QR code also given here, and these are the details of that books, and you can download from it. Kindle with image, no image, more files, EPUB. In this way, these books, the literature on this platform are available in various format and compatible to preserve at Drive, Cloud, OneDrive, and Dropbox, and so on. In this way, I hope that you will be get you have get some you get idea regarding it, and surely it will be helpful to you. Once again, thank you for patiently listening to me, and my presentation is acknowledged to uh, Gutenberg websites from which I have taken various ideas and resources for presenting my presentation, and I hope that uh, you have get some slight idea regarding it. Thank you very much.